Hey everyone! Ready to tackle that credit card debt once and for all? If your credit cards are maxed out and you're scraping by each month, this video is for you. A few weeks ago, I shared a video on using velocity banking to pay off debt with no extra monthly cash flow. It got over 165,000 views. Thank you for your support. Many of you asked how to apply the same system to multiple cards, so let's break it down. First, let's set the stage. Imagine you have a $6,000 monthly income and $6,000 in monthly expenses, rent, groceries, utilities, and those pesky credit card minimum payments. Now you've got one maxed out credit card with a $20,000 balance and an $800 monthly minimum payment. Sound familiar? Here's the game plan to tackle this. Step 1. Pay down strategically. Use every leftover dollar after essential expenses to pay down the target card. If you can stomach putting all extra cash toward this debt, do it. For simplicity, let's assume $2,800 of expenses can be charged back to the card each month, freeing up $800 in cash flow. Step 2. Payment timing. Pay the card down before the statement date to maximize your credit score. Try to avoid new charges before that date as well. Step 3. Build consistency. Every month, charge $2,000 back to the card for your monthly expenses, but leave $800 applied toward the balance. Over time, the balance drops, and you pay less in interest. Quick heads up. Credit card companies may lower limits when they see big payments. Mitigate this by calling them and explaining your plan. Step 4. Snowball the payments. Once card 1 is paid off, roll that payment into card 2, then card 3, and so on. The debt payoff accelerates with each card. By month 25, without interest, card 1 is paid off. Even with interest factored in, it's much faster than 29 years of minimum payments. Finally, if life throws unexpected expenses your way, stay on track. Use the card if necessary, but get back to the plan ASAP. If this helped, subscribe and turn on notifications. Also, if credit issues are holding you back, check out my DIY credit repair platform, beastie.com, for affordable resources to fix your credit on your terms. Thank you for your support, and as always, be blessed.